No, I can ride it in the escalator.
No.
You stop.
Is it hard going up? I thought you can
It's the same.
go.
It's the same. Eh, nandito pa naman ako eh. Sis, you wanna try?
No, I mean heels. Oh, who was able to do it?
All of the kids.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Chili, try mo yan?
What's this? What's this?
Even Chili, you're
Eh,
able to
ayaw
do
ni
it?
Chili eh.
Go, Chili! Hindi naman si Zoe, mag-isa. Ano yan, Zegway? That's hard, Dad.
Yeah. No?
Hi, May, can you do it? Hi, May, you already. Chili, kiss mommy. Love you. Bye, Brad.
Bye, sis. See you pa naman eh.
So heavy.
Ang dami mong regalo ah.
It's so fun.
Chili,
Why not? Hold my hand.
what color of bag did I give you?
Chili.
No.
The white one.
Yeah. Not white.
The white one.
Where is the gift of Tita?
Cool, Jaime.
Chili.
And next.
Okay.
Ah, sa kanya yung
Oh,
white?
sabi ko na yung white sa kanya.
Get it now, get it now. Akin na, put it here. Anak, get it now, fast.
Joaquin.
Ano sa pa?
You're standing weird though.
Akin na.
Sige, let him. Just let him. Might fall pa eh. Shog, you wanna try?
No. Chili, faster.
Reggie,
Yeah,
they
wait
have
lang,
been
ah.
talking about this kanina. Everybody was looking for Tito Reg. Because of this. I think we should close the gate.
No, I'll tell. I'm another naman eh.
Chill. And now you're asking. Me.
Pia. Pia. Wait lang ha, I'm just getting something from Chili. Napagod.
Hi. Nina.
Boy, you're adventurous.
Chili, sabi ko get the bag para I'll bring it na for
Reg, I'm so cool. Where'd you get that?
From China.
Nobody has that?
Not yet. It's very new. 3 months.
Why don't you bring it? Why
Exactly.
didn't you bring it?
I am.
So you brought it in, huh? How much
Well, I'm
did you
try-
sell it for?
I'm trying 45.